Once upon a time, in the forest, there lived a kind and generous jackal, who was liked by everyone. One day, while going back home, he heard strange sounds coming from a huge cave. It seemed like someone was in pain. Being a kind soul, he asked,
Hello, is anyone in there? Do you need help?
He heard his own voice echo inside the cave. He became very curious and wanted to go inside the dark cave. As he entered the cave, a huge hand pushed him towards the wall and he heard an angry voice.
You are not going inside there.
The jackal got scared on seeing this strange figure, who appeared to be a tiger, and ran away quickly. The jackal felt sorry for himself as he could not defend himself. He knew that he had to do something about the tiger. So, he went to his friend, the lion. The jackal told the lion the entire story, and the lion decided to train his friend so that he could become as strong as the tiger. The jackal trained for a week and became as big and strong as the tiger. He went back to the cave and shouted at the tiger to come out and fight with him. The tiger was puzzled as to why the jackal was angry. The tiger had warned him not to come inside the cave, as there was broken glass in there and he did not want the jackal to get hurt like how he did. The jackal felt ashamed of himself and couldn't look at the tiger after that.
Find out what the problem is before trying to solve it.